Here's how to set up and use Multiview in OBS Studio to monitor multiple scenes at the same time. Open OBS and go to File, then Settings. Click the General tab and scroll all the way down to the Multiview section. Toggle all the Multiview options on and click the Multiview Layout dropdown. Choose a layout that matches how many scenes you want to monitor. Horizontal top 8 scenes is a good starting point for most setups. Click Apply, then OK. Now go to the View menu at the top of OBS and select Open Multiview. Select your monitor from the list and the Multiview window will open, showing all your scenes simultaneously. To switch between scenes in Multiview, simply double-click on the scene you want to go live. OBS will cut to it immediately. Press Escape to close the Multiview panel and return focus to the main OBS window. A tip: Multiview is most useful for live events with multiple camera angles or complex broadcasts with several distinct scenes. For standard single-camera streaming, you may find it more distracting than helpful. Enable it when you actually have multiple sources worth monitoring simultaneously. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.